If you are new to baking in your rice cooker, there are a few important reminders to keep in mind. Recipes with 1 cup to 1.5 cup of flour is best for minimal baking time. Depending on your rice cooker, it will probably stay on cook for about 5 minutes and then it's gonna go into the warm status. And this is completely normal. When baking, there's not much liquid, and so the rice cooker must go into this warm status to prevent it from overheating. But you don't have to worry. Your baked good is still baking in this warm state. Since we do have to come back and push that cook button again, set a timer for 30 minutes, and when the timer goes off, just press that cook button and then set another timer. Now, if you press that cook button and it will not go into a cook but keeps staying on warm, that just means it needs more time to cool off, so just let it sit for another 10 minutes and try again. And you do have to repeat this bake process until your cake is done. Try not to open your rice cooker until after the 2nd or 3rd bake cycle because we do want to keep that warm air inside the rice cooker to continue to bake your cake. And to test whether your cake is done or not, just use a chopstick, toothpick, skewer or knife, insert it into the center, and if it comes out clean without any wet batter, then your cake is done.